I am sure that many of you have heard of and indeed used Lensa AI to turn a selfie of yours into an incredible set of avatars. But did you know you can now do the same thing with video? It's called VToonify. And let me play in the background some of the examples of what you can do. This is available through a Hugging Face space, and the link will be in the description. Albeit there is a slight queue, you have to wait to get your results, but we're talking a minute, 2 minutes. I'm going to show you how to use it though. How do we use it? Essentially what you do is you go down and you pick a style that you want. I'm going to show you 2 or 3 examples. So on the right, you can see Comic 1, Feminine, Cartoon 5, Pixar, Illustration. And once you've picked, press Load Model. After 5-10 seconds, it will say Model of Illustration Loaded. Then scroll down. Now, here's a key bit of advice. I got stuck on this, well, quite a long time, so I'm going to save you some time. You can't do too high a resolution of image and too high a resolution of video. It just won't work. You'll get errors. You'll get a really long queue and then an error or just an error. So essentially I've found for video, try to keep the video short and below 1080p, so 720p and below. Likewise for images, don't use any of too high a resolution. Anyway, click and drag your video or your image. If it's an image, drag it to the top box and then press Rescale Image. You may have to wait between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. It will say Rescaled Face. For a video, it's a bit different. You press Rescale First Frame, then wait for it to do that, and it will appear here, and then press Rescale Video. So as you can see, the original video was higher def. Let me start at the beginning again. It was a higher def video, but then the rescaled video is shorter and lower def, because that's what they're going to use. Then when that's ready, scroll down, and at this point you can choose your style degree. Essentially, the higher you dial it up, the more cartoonified it will be. The lower down, the more like the original image. Then move down and press, if it's an image, Toonify. If it's a video, VToonify. And look at this result from the video you saw earlier. And you can see we've got a real incredible cartoon effect there. There is some slight issue with the ghosting of the fingers, but I was able to resolve that mostly by picking a different illustration style. Let me try to demonstrate. So here I picked, what was it, the Cartoon 1? Yes, the Cartoon 1 style. And then I didn't get as much ghosting. So take a look at this video. Again, only 4 seconds. And you can see the original person there. And there are the fingers without as much ghosting. Now, of course, this is in no way photorealism. Hope you weren't expecting that. But it is a step forward. You can just imagine what the next advancement will be. And even as it currently stands as something entertaining for your friends or for children, I think it's great. Let me demonstrate one final illustration style before I go. So for this one, I just took a corporate image, which I have the rights for, and then pressed Rescale. And actually it was a video. And I picked illustration 3-D actually. And what I didn't realize is that it would actually change it into the characteristics of this face here. So if you notice, it kept the same dimension, same expression, same eye movement as this video that you can see here, but completely changed the characteristics of the man's face. So here was the final result. Same posture, just a very different person. So just a quick heads up that if you pick that style, you keep the human male face, but a very different looking one. Either way, play about with it. And if any of you guys are interested, I might do a deeper dive into how to use Hugging Face, set up your own space, increase the CPU bandwidth, and really have some fun with all the different models and spaces that they have available. Have a wonderful day.